Good morning, super scientists. Are you ready for today's plant challenge? Look around your school. Can you find a mango tree? Can you find a rose plant? What about the money plant growing on a wall? Here's a question. They are all plants. But why don't they all look the same? Why is one tall, another short, another climbing, and another crawling on the ground? Today we're going to solve this mystery. By the end of this class, you'll become plant detectives, able to identify almost any common plant just by looking at it. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's mission has 6 exciting challenges. Challenge number 1. Find out what a plant really is. Challenge number 2. Learn the 5 different types of plants. Challenge number 3. Become an expert at identifying them. Challenge number 4. Guess plant types from pictures. Challenge number 5. Answer Olympiad-style questions. And finally, become the plant champion of your class. Let's see who can answer the most questions today. Let's start with a simple question. Do plants cook food? Let students answer. Surprisingly, yes. Plants are the only living things that can prepare their own food. No kitchen, no gas stove, no electricity, only sunlight. Amazing, isn't it? Plants use sunlight, water, and air to make food. That's why scientists call plants producers. Without plants, there would be no fruits, no vegetables, no oxygen, and no life on Earth. So next time you see a tree, remember, it's actually a giant food factory. Now imagine you're organizing all the plants in the world. How would you do it? Scientists group them into 5 families. Let's meet them. Herbs, shrubs, trees, creepers, climbers. Each family grows in its own special way. Here's our memory trick. Soft, woody, trunk, crawl, climb. Again, soft, woody, trunk, crawl, climb. Fantastic. Let's meet the smallest family. Herbs. Can you bend a coriander stem with your fingers? Yes, because herbs have soft green stems. They're usually short and live for a short time. Look at these examples. Wheat, rice, tomato, coriander. Here's a quick challenge. Is a tomato plant a tree? Let students answer. No. It's a herb. Remember, soft stem equals herb. Now let's meet the shrubs. Shrubs are bigger than herbs, but smaller than trees. They don't have one thick trunk. Instead, many branches grow from the bottom. Look at the rose plant. Have you seen one? Can you find one near your home? Rose, henna, lemon, hibiscus, all are shrubs. Quick question. If a plant has many woody branches growing from the base, is it a tree? No, it's a shrub. Now comes the king of plants, the tree. Trees are tall, strong, and live for many years. What makes a tree different? One thick stem called a trunk. Can everyone say, trunk? Excellent. Look at these examples. Mango, neem, banyan, coconut. Did you know the banyan tree can live for hundreds of years? Some trees are even older than your great-grandparents. Now let's play a guessing game. Imagine you have very weak legs. Can you stand? Probably not. That's exactly how creepers and climbers are. Their stems are weak, but they solve the problem differently. A creeper says, I can't stand. I'll crawl. Pumpkin, watermelon, sweet potato, all crawl on the ground. A climber says, I need help. I'll climb. Money plant, grapevine, bitter gourd. They climb using support. Easy trick. Creeper crawls. Climber climbs. Say it with me. Now let's compare everyone. Who is the shortest? Herb. Who has woody branches? Shrub. Who has one thick trunk? Tree. Who crawls? Creeper. Who climbs? Climber. See? You already know all 5 plant types. Scientists do the same thing. They observe, compare, then classify. Now it's your turn. Ready? Question 1. Soft green stem, short plant. What is it? Correct. Herb. Question 2. Rose plant. Tree? Shrub or herb? Excellent. Shrub. Question 3. Money plant climbing on a wall. Yes, climber. Question 4. Mango, with one thick trunk. Correct. Tree. You're becoming real plant detectives. Let's quickly revise. Herbs, soft stems. Shrubs, woody branches. Trees, one thick trunk. Creepers, grow on the ground. Climbers, need support to grow upward. Remember, whenever you see a plant, first observe the stem, then observe how it grows. That's the secret to identifying plants. Time for the final challenge. Who's ready? Question 1. Which plant has a soft stem? Yes. Herb. Question 2. Rose belongs to which type? Excellent. Shrub. Question 3. Which plant crawls on the ground? Correct. Creeper. Question 4. A mango tree has one thick trunk. Last question. Money plant is a wonderful climber. Party popper. Give yourselves a big round of applause. Today you've taken your first step toward becoming young botanists. Here's today's homework. When you go home, find one herb, one shrub, one tree, one creeper, and one climber around your house or school. Take a picture if possible, or write their names in your notebook. Let's see tomorrow who finds all 5. See you in the next class. Goodbye, plant detectives.